Now, if you're in crypto, you must have placed a trade, you must have bought a token, and you're waiting to make your next big gain. And to do that, you need two things. One is either centralized or decentralized exchange, the platform where you can buy and sell token, and of course get the information with the site smart contract. So in this video, I will tell you another alternative option which will help you execute faster without KYC, without using the DEX, and of course already can be done on your mobile device using simple Telegram bot. This one is called as PEPEBOOST and it will help you make your trading or transaction simpler and effective. Now the best part of this PEPEBOOST is it is a trading bot plus it is a legit one and plus it offers you up to 30% cashback, which means if you trade on PEPEBOOST you can earn up to 30% cashback, which will be rewarded to you in the form of the trading fee that is generated on the platform. And I know their transaction is huge. If you look at their Dune analytics, you will see the ratio of transaction that is happening on every single day, and that is quite cool. And you're getting a cashback of whatever transaction that you place on it. So with that, let's kick off. Let's dive into the trading bot called PepeBoost and explore how it can be effective for your trading, for your investment, and to plan faster execution. Now, again, before I begin and take you through the details, please do remember that nothing here is financial advice. Please DYOR before investing into any token, any platform, and of course, take care of your fund always. So, here we have PepeBoost. Now, the best part about this bot that I like it is that it is multi-chain. Yes, this particular bot runs on Solana, Ethereum, Tron, and Base Chain. Now, what that means? That means you can buy and sell any token on these chains seamlessly. Now, you can see here they have mentioned already they have Ethereum, Solana, Binance, BNB chain, Base chain, and Tron trading bot that is official. Plus, if you go here, you will see their trading guide, the quick start guide, which will give you a simpler instruction how to get started. So I have this bot with me right over here. So once I downloaded or being part of this pepper boost on Telegram, I have started with Solana bot, and again I need to choose my language. So here I chose English, and by choosing English, automatically the bot adjusted its language to English, and here I can start buying and selling, copy trading, and even sniping token. Now again, the thing to notice is you can either import a wallet or generate a wallet by just clicking the generate wallet option. And once you click it here, like I did in my case, it has automatically generated my Solana wallet, which is right over here. Of course, when you generate the wallet, you will also see your private keys, so make sure to save them and never share with anyone. And that is how you get started. Otherwise, you can import wallet. Now, let me just show you the bot in action. You can see right over here, there's something called as limit order, which will help you place the order automatically. Of course, when the asset hits at some point, you can actually buy the asset just by using the bot or even sell it. Click on the limit order and it will ask you the following question. You can see here either I want to add a new limit order or the existing one. So I click on the add limit order, and once I click it, it will ask me the contract address of the token that I want to buy or sell or place the limit order. And in this case, I will go to this dog with head token, which is a meme coin on Solana, and it has a smart contract right over here. I will copy this up, come back here and just paste it, click on enter, and now it will give me following option: buy at a specified price, again sell it, buy for price change, sell for price change. So these are the limit it is giving me, and I will now put the limit I want to buy at specified price. So this is my buy entry. So you can see here it is giving me option: please enter the expected price and auto buy amount separated by comma, and below they have shared example how to put the format. So now what I will do is I will put my buy price, which is now at 0.30, and maybe auto buy price I will put it at 0.25. Once I do it, I click on enter, and it is waiting to execute, and you can say the automatically the order has been executed. So clearly, once it hit the price range, I will get my order automatically executed, and that is how it is done. Similarly, you can do other stuff like copy trading and stuff like that. You can try it out also. Now, before I take you to the other features on the doc file, let me just show you one more feature, and that is they have a very big community on Twitter, and this one has 87K real followers, which are Chinese based community. So clearly, it is totally legit and a real users boosting the platform, generating revenue, and of course, you guys are getting the cashback on every transaction. So make sure to check it out. Now, going back to the docs and what all feature it is quite amazing. So we go here and we choose the trading mode, which is the basic mode of transaction on the platform. You can choose between turbo or anti-MEV mode. Now again, turbo is faster but less secure, but this one anti-MEV is more secure. So you can choose between whatever your preferences and you can go ahead with that. There is also a slippage option, there's a gas priority option, and of course there's a confirmation of trade option, and everything can be seen in a transparent manner right over here in this particular bot platform. Like if you want to buy and sell, I can click on buy and sell, and whatever token that I want to buy here, I go down here and put the smart contract or token right over here, and it will start doing its job. Plus, if I want to check what all asset I have in my account, I need to click on this asset option and it will show me my asset. So right now I don't have any asset in this token because this particular wallet is created just now and I haven't bought anything. But if you buy anything, it will be shown right over here. How cool is that? This is very amazing. And this is, by the way, let me tell you again, is not limited to Solana. It is expanded to BNB, base chain, and of course Tron blockchain, which is huge for this thing. You can also choose to go with copy trading, in which particularly you copy the trade of the winners, and as they execute the trade it will do it for you. Now make sure this might not be profitable for you, it can be fluctuative, but it will do the job for you right away. And they have Radium pool, they buy and sell from Radium pool, and that's gave a legitimacy. Similar, they have Ethereum and other trading bot up your service. Now going or talking about their details, look at the data on the Dune Analytics. They have the transactions on a daily basis, and this one is real time. If you go down here, look at the volume of trade they've done, like 100k, 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 74, 78, 64. So these are the real trading volume generated by this bot alone within its platform. So that means these users are coming every day, placing the trade, again doing the transaction faster than you think, and getting a cashback in return. Plus, I have forgot to tell you one more thing. If you invite your friends, you'll get extra commission or extra cashback, and you can see the rewards right over here. This one belongs to Solana. Similarly, you have base chain, BNB chain, those bought with their own set of reward. So clearly a win-win situation for both the users and the creators, and for the bot, by the way. Look at here, the Solana volume is here 93k, 100k, 67k, 70k, 57. So numbers are good here. Of course, BNB volume is not shown yet, but of course I can say with the volume of Ethereum and Solana combined, their total volume is kind of cool compared to any other bot out there. So overall, I will be bullish on this. If I want to buy a token, especially meme coin, which I think can pump faster, I can use this bot for faster execution. And lastly, if you want to get started quickly, just click on this quick start guide, and I will share this link in the description. And once you go here, you need to deposit Ethereum, Solana, TRX, depending upon your wallet, and just start trading. So clearly, the fastest way to execute the trade is here, and this bot, which is PEPEBOOST, can help you execute faster and again issue you a good cashback in the shortest possible time. So with that, I complete my video. Please do where you are, and please do subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Till then, take care, have a nice day, and have a great evening. Thank you.